Hey everybody, it's a little early to be picking pears, but I have been finding some on the ground, and I know we've had strong winds, but I thought, well, I'm just going to test some of the ones on the tree, and some of them are ready, so I'm going to be picking some today. And I'll show you how I know when they're ready. Is all you do. You pick it up, you pull it up, and if it pops off, it's ready. How easy, right? And I am going to stick to some of the bigger ones. I'm going to let the little ones grow a little bit more. Let's try this one. See how easy that popped off? It's telling you it's ready. You don't even have to guess. Now, if you haven't watched my channel before, then I'll let you know this. You should never let a pear ripen on the tree. It will become mealy inside and not nice and juicy. So you pick them when they pop off on their own, or not on their own, but when they pop off when you lift them up, and then you put them in a paper bag. Typically for me, it's a couple of weeks in a paper bag, and then they will ripen and they will be nice and juicy. So I'm just going to keep going through the tree today and seeing how many are ready. So far, all of them have popped off. Now that one's a little bit harder, but it still came off. I'm going to show you the direction that you actually lift it up. So you can see this stem is curving this way, so you want to lift it up that way. And that one did pop off, but again, not real easy, so that one's probably not ready, but I've already got it partly off, so I'm taking it off. This one again, it's curving this way, so that's the way you want to lift it up. That one popped off easily. Let's try this one. So you don't want to go backwards like that. You want to lift it up this way. And that one is, oh, that one did come off. That one did not pop off, so it is not ready. Let's try this one. That one did. Okay, so I am stopping for today because my basket is full. It's kind of over full. So I'm going to put these into a paper bag for a couple weeks and let them fully ripen so I can have nice juicy pears.